we need to assemble. Lift crane. Hooray! First, we have to fill it. Lift crane. Press the pump. Don't stop. Let's finish the porch. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. You're doing really great. We did it! First, we need to assemble. Garbage truck. Keep it up. Filling. Garbage truck. Pump. Hooray! Let's remove the construction waste. We need to wash. Garbage truck. We did it! We have to assemble. Drop side truck. We did it! Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. Press the pump. Amazing! Let's plant the trees in the yard. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Keep it up. You're doing really great. First, we need to assemble. Drop side truck. We did it! Now we need to fill it. Drop side truck. Pump. Keep up the good work. And now we can finish construction. Hooray! You've built a beautiful house.